In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete collections in the Webflow CMS. If you've ever found yourself needing to tidy up your Webflow project, you know that managing collections can sometimes be a bit of a chore. But don't worry, I'm here to make it as simple as possible. First, let's start by accessing the CMS Manager. You can do this quickly by pressing Alt+C on your keyboard. This is your gateway to managing all the dynamic content on your Webflow site. Once you're in the CMS Manager, you'll see a list of all the collections you've created. Take a moment to locate the specific collection you want to delete. Once you've found it, move your cursor to the gear icon next to it and give it a click. This opens up the settings for that particular collection. Now, as you might notice, if you scroll down within the settings, you'll see the Delete Collection button. However, it's currently grayed out. This can be frustrating, but it's actually a safety feature. The reason for this is that the collection still contains items. Just like clearing out a bookshelf before you dismantle it, you'll need to remove all items from your collection before you can delete it. So, the next step is to open the collection that you wish to delete entirely. Inside, you'll see all the individual items listed. To make things easy, you can select all of these items at once. Depending on your setup, this might involve holding down the Shift key or another multi-select method within your interface. Once you've selected the items, go ahead and press Delete. Make sure you're absolutely certain before doing this, as this action will remove all the content from the collection. Once you've confirmed that all items have been deleted, you can head back over to the gear icon for the collection in question. Now, you should see that the Delete Collection button is no longer grayed out. This indicates that the collection is empty and ready to be removed. Simply click the button, and with that, the collection is deleted from your Webflow CMS, and there you have it. That's how you delete collections in Webflow. Just remember, it's important to double-check that you're removing the right items, as this process can't be undone. By following these steps, you can ensure your Webflow project stays organized and efficient. Thanks for tuning in to today's video, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.